So we are here to offer first aid to our pilgrims. They've already started and we are already working on them. And we have all the drugs that we shall give to those sick people who need our help. However, we are just giving a first aid and we have a referral system too. If someone needs to be attended to maybe by the hospital, because here right now we don't have the machines with us. We are working under a tent donated to us by Centenary Bank. This is not a hospital. We are just offering first aid. However, we don't have to say that someone with this don't come, someone who's maybe this don't come. Like I said, we are working with Zai Hospital and we have 3 hospitals where we are going to refer our patients. That is Mulago, Nagulu, and the Chila Health Center, a government facility.